Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this. They're trying to make a 3D device. But if you look, he goes, well, I keep moving them back to the page. If you look, this top ring is going underneath that bottom ring. And all you have to, I think what he did wrong is, well, let's keep a copy of that. Matter of fact, make a double box and let's make a copy of this. So we'll have it when I delete the other one. And let's delete the rings. And I think what he did, he went from the bottom down. So this time, I mean, he told me about the 1-inch nudge, Control D and move them up. And look at the difference. This looks, well, this you can kind of see inside from the bottom, but you don't get the same effect because these rings, they're just kind of look mismatched. Where in this case, they actually look, and he's got a little bit too dark, but I think it looks pretty cool. Tell you what, let's delete these. And this is, I'm not suggesting you have to do this. Let's make a copy. You know, whenever you do that and start moving it and then, or hold down the control button, I didn't make a duplicate. Okay, now let's take the, see I had a bunch of duplicates. Let's take a bunch of these away and I'm gonna make sure I just have one. See, I had two. And then I'm gonna bring that back. Let's change the interactive fill tool. Let's go up to object group and ungroup it because there's two pieces. And let's grab the outside one and get the interactive fill tool. See, he's got his black way over here. Well, I know what he's trying to do. Let's see what this looks like if you put a lighter blue in that corner. And maybe move that kind of out. It's a shame the attribute eyedropper won't work in this case. Now we can select this one. The attribute eyedropper would do the same thing, but you'd have to, you know what? We could flip it. Let's see if we can't flip it. Let's take a sample of that. See, we want the other way, but let's go and see if we can't. Look at that, and it worked. So they're exactly equal. Now let's Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, and let's move them up instead of down. That looked pretty cool. It actually looks like you can actually see down like a tube, and it's got a little bit of light shining on it somewhere. I mean, I like the darkness, but you need to play around, especially if you were going to print this on something. You need to think about that. Anyway, that's pretty cool. Hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.